I played the button and yeeps hide and seek, and it was crazy. Watch till the end to see what crazy things happen when I press the button. Alright, so we are now in the code the button, and yeah, let's get straight into room 1 because, like, yeah.
Type thing.
Yeah, I think so. It's like you press a button and something happens. But yeah, we are now in.
Well, in that case, I'm getting all my neon white paint out.
Alright, you're now.
It'll be essential for later.
Code. Happens basically.
Button.
Yeah. Oh, this looks exactly like my brother, bro. Oh, this looks exactly like my brother. There's people in there. There's people in
I know you're bad.
I'm absolutely not seeing this one.
I hate this one
Back
so
here.
much. Someone has to reset it because we're stuck here forever. It's all over.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you.
Let's
Whoever
see.
did that.
What would happen if you ride a saddle on a dog while being small?
I killed everyone.
Oh my god,
you.
yes!
I'm the only.
Honey, I shrunk the yeet!
I had the baseball bat. I had the baseball bat.
Nobody cares how. Painted purple, purple is the best color ever!
Wait, everyone paint it neon white.
No, purple is the best color ever! Green light.
Get the bird.
Red light. Oh, shoot! Let me get a broom! Let me get a broom! It's sleep! It's sleep! It's sleep!
I'm such good stuff.
That was easy. I'm gonna be the first. I'm gonna be the last one standing. I bet.
Yeah, girl.
Nice way.
Venga, go, get them off!
I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Guys, come look at my super sigma.
Levitation, guys, levitation.
I'm here to say hello. They're new to you.
Guys, I know how
Crashes out, then I'm gonna crash out. How about that?
Bro,
So.
I was on the outside of my floor. Well, I tried to the little
Yes!
Hey, my pellet gun! My pellet gun! That is going to be all for today's video. But if you liked it, then make sure to like and subscribe. And I am so tired, so just roll the outro.